It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
If you're looking at making some changes to your home, wouldn't it be nice to bundle those upgrades into one project? Cody Mazzi from Mazzi Heating, Air and Solar is here to share a little bit more, where we're specifically talking today about combining HVAC and solar. Why do those go so well together?
Well, thanks for having me back again. I appreciate it. But those two projects typically blend well together because the number one user of energy in your house is typically going to be an air conditioning system. And what people are trying to do is be comfortable in their house and not have a crazy SDG&E bill and compensate that with solar.
It's a perfect natural fit, but you want to do it all with one company at the same time because there's a lot of benefits that come with that as well. Tell me more.
Yeah, there's some big benefits to combining that project with one contractor. We can basically design the solar for the heating and air system we are going to put in, and you have some peace of mind knowing that you can call one person and have them design both systems for you and make sure they're sized right so that you get the benefit of being comfortable in the home and not having the utility bills.
So I want to go back to where you just said sized right, because that's probably the most important factor of having a knowledgeable company in both areas of air conditioning and solar, because that's what you're going to miss out on by not doing these jobs at the same time. The sizing might be incorrect.
Yeah, that could be a big problem if you do the solar before you do the heating and air, and the solar size for your previous heating and air system if you had one, or if you don't have one, and then you do the air conditioning project, you could have it either undersized solar or oversized solar, neither of which are going to be beneficial to you.
But really what it comes down to is that you're going to end up either overspending in one direction or the other, right?
Yeah, or coming back and spending more money later to kind of correct the issues that you had previous.
So who should consider doing this?
Anybody who wants to be comfortable and doesn't want to pay utility bills, really. I mean, I can't think of anybody who wouldn't.
I love that, because there's nobody that we're specifically speaking to a certain niche of people. This is really applicable to everyone who owns their home and can make these upgrades.
Correct.
And what's it like to work with Mazzi?
It's awesome. We don't use any subcontractors on any of the projects. It's all our guys. It's a very seamless process. You have one project manager, one guy to call if you've got any questions, and one design guy for everything.
Thanks so much, Cody. And of course, there is a special offer today where you can get up to $3,400 off a new heating and air system with a free Nest thermostat. So get started with your solar and HVAC bundle today when you call Mazzi at 619-320